Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both phones have Google Authenticator updated, are charged, and connected. Open Authenticator and tap the three dots to find transfer accounts. This is faster than reseeding each site. Once done, choose Export Accounts and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. This proves you control the source. Make sure to close other apps, because a stable connection prevents partial exports. You'll now be ready to scan a QR or use a file. Now, on the new phone, open Authenticator and choose Receive Accounts. The app will activate the camera to scan. If you exported a QR from the old phone, point the new camera at that code. If you used a file, import it over a secure channel. Scan one batch, then pause and confirm each account generates a valid 6-digit code. Once confirmed, continue with the next batch. This staged approach reduces errors and prevents losing access if a scan fails mid-process. Finish by systematically testing each service. Log in, enter the newly generated code, and ensure login succeeds. After you verify all accounts produce correct codes, go back to the old phone and delete the exported entries. This removes duplicate attack surfaces. If something goes wrong, first check the phone's time settings and sync them. Timing mismatches cause most failures. If rescan fails, repeat export or re-enroll the account with the service's 2FA setup. Keep backups or recovery codes in a secure place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.